Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY, and today we're going to take a look at this little Dewalt Precision Point 18 gauge brad nailer. Now, I do have the model number on this one. This is the DWFP12233. So guys, I have had this for a very long time and I use it almost daily. I know this will shoot anything from about 5/8 up to 2.5 inches in a brad nail in the 18 gauge category. The way that it is made, it's extremely lightweight and easy to function. Now this doesn't have any kind of head to change the air, but it doesn't ever seem to hit you in the face the way this thing works. A couple of things I do like on it. It has, if you look up here, a button which you can turn from single fire over to rapid fire, but it is not going to rapid fire even if you are holding that trigger down unless the front is engaged. It's a little safety mechanism on most nail guns. This one also has a clip for hanging. You can hang it on your belts, you can hang it in your tool bag, you can even hang it on a framing member if you can get it under there. It's really made more for maybe a 1-by material, and generally that's what you're working on. If you are working on trim like crown moldings, floor moldings, any type of just little decorative molding, it makes a very small hole so you don't have to do a lot of touch up or puttying or caulking afterwards. And also on the handle, by the way guys, it has a pencil sharpener built in for using a fine point pencil because you're generally going to be doing trim with this gun. Now how this opens is extremely easy. It just slides back like this and your nails will go in. I believe these are going to be the 2.5 right here, and it just slides into the tray up against it, and then bam, you're back in business. Actually, you would be back in business if I put it in correctly. Go down 1 notch, and there we go. Now it's working. It also has a little measure device on the bottom, so if you're trying to quickly measure something up, go up 2 inches, you can actually have your spot move up 2 inches here and fire. That's a really added little feature. It also, like a lot of trim guns today, you can open the front and clear a jam real quick and get that out. That makes it nice so that you're not trying to disassemble things and get inside of there. Click it back and then push this down and you're back in business again. So overall, it's really a nice gun. It is a quick connect system. If you want something that's going to last you for years, that was going to hold up and not have a problem, I don't think you're going to go wrong with the Dewalt. Dewalt is very well known for their trim guns. Their trim guns hold up extremely well, and that's why there's always such a big demand for it. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today, and we will see you guys on the next review.